guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm Alita, and today, I've got something super useful for anyone preparing for the PTE exam in 2025. Want to pass the PTE fast, cheap, and stress-free? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a 3-step plan to go from total beginner to test ready, without wasting time on stuff that doesn't work. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand the PTE exam. Step 1 is all about knowing your enemy, understanding the PTE test. When you first start PTE, it feels like a big maze, right? So the first thing you need is a map. As we know, the PTE has 20 different question types: speaking, writing, reading, and listening. But here's the thing. Not all questions are equally important. From this score chart, we can see that some give you lots of points like repeat sentence or write from dictation, and some give just a little out from the chart. You can know what to need to focus on, right? And here's what I recommend. First, go to EasyPTE and take a free mock test. It will show you what the exam feels like and where you're weak, like this. Then check the strategies. They will explain each question type clearly and give you many useful tips. This step helps you understand the rules of the game. Once you know the rules, it's easier to win. Now, step 2. Practice like a pro. You don't need to practice everything every day. Start with the most important tasks. Read aloud, repeat sentence, write from dictation. These 3 tasks can boost your score fast if you do them right. For reading aloud, read short texts out loud every day. Just practice, practice, and practice. And remember, focus on smooth speech, good pronunciation, and natural rhythm. For repeat sentence, listen to short sentences and repeat them as clearly as you can. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Just keep improving. And for WFD, listen to a sentence and write it down word for word. Start with common WFDs from EasyPTE's latest collection. You can find them here. Actually, we update WFD prediction list every Monday. It includes the most recent and most important questions, handpicked to help you focus only on what really matters. That means less time practicing random stuff, more time improving your real score. And here's the best. There's a high chance you can see these exact same questions in your actual test. And the most important is, they're completely free and public. So make sure to check them out and use EasyPTE in your daily practice from today. You should know, the goal here is not perfection. It's consistency. A little bit every day builds real skill. Step 3. Use strategies and templates. Step 3 is all about working smarter, not harder, now that you've built some skills. And it's time to learn strategies and templates. These are you should focus on. Fill in the blanks, describe image, retell lecture, summarize spoken text, and write essay. Please remember, templates are not cheating. They can save time and help you stay organized, especially under pressure. And you can get free and new templates from EasyPTE. Finally, you don't need to be a professor. You just need to show your clear answers, confident, and structured. Finally, before the real exam, take a full-length mock test. Please sit down, time yourself. No distractions. This is your practice run. It helps you manage time and stay calm on test day. And hey, don't freak out if your mock test score isn't perfect. It's just practice. The real goal is getting used to the format. Alright guys, that's your 3-step plan to pass the PTE in 2025. 1. Learn the test. 2. Practice smart and not hard. 3. Use strategies and templates. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe and use our free app for more PTE practices and study tricks. You've got this. Keep going, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.